Hello, my dear student. Today I am going to start a Vedic Maths free course series on my YouTube channel. Every day you can see a Vedic Maths video, lesson wise. Okay, so you can practice these videos every day and you will learn the Vedic Maths course in free. Let's start. So, in first lesson, today we will learn the complements. There are two type of complements we are going to learn in this first lesson is the 10 complements and the 9 complements. We all are aware about the complements. In 10 complements, if you have to find out the complements of 0, 10 complement of 0, so you have to subtract that number from the 10. Of course, if you will subtract 0 from 10, you will get 10. The same way, the 10th complement of 1 is 9. 2 is 8, and in this way from this table you have to learn the 10 complement. In the same way the ninth complement, the same way the ninth complement of 1 is 8, means you have to subtract 1 from the 9, so you will get 8. So the ninth complement of 1 is 8. Okay, here is only the single digit complement we will learn. So if you will learn this complement, it will be easy you to solve the 2, 3, 4, 5 digit complements number. Okay, now let's start the exercise. So these are the number we are going to learn. The first number is 176. So here we will follow the rule, like we have to follow the rule all from 9 and last from 10. It means these two numbers are subtracted from the 9. Means we will find the 9 complement of these two numbers, and last number we will find the complement of 10. It means all from 9 and the last from 10. So now tell me what is the 9 complement of 6. So you have to subtract 6 from the 9. So what you will get? It is 3. Now the 9 complement of 7 is 2. And the first number or the last number, we can say the last number, the first 10th complement of number 1 is 9. Okay. Now the next one. All from 9 and the last from 10. So 9 complement of 3 is 6. 6 is 3. And the 10 complement of 7 is 3. The same way. All from 9 and the last from 10. So 9, 6, 10 minus 2 is 8. So last number from 10 complement. Now all from 9, last from 10. So 6, 5, 5. Now repeat after me. Yes, the 9 complement of 5 is 4, 5. Yes, 10 is 7. Very good. The 9 complement of 1 is 8. 9 complement of 6 is 3. And the 10 complement of 3 is 7. Very good. Continue. 6, 4 and 9. Now understood? So in this way, we will find out the complement of the number. These complements we will use in the next lesson for the addition and the subtraction. So first you have to practice this and then we will continue second lesson in the next class. I have few examples for the practice for you. So just write down this number and try to find out the complements. If you have any questions and queries, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay friends, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.